What's up, YouTube? Thought I'd do a quick video for you all on a good, healthy protein shake. What I use powdered peanut butter and whey protein. I like to do about three scoops of peanut butter. So I'll do about 3 scoops of peanut butter and 2 scoops of vanilla protein. Check it out there. You know, everybody's got their own particular flavors they like and whatnot. This is just what I like to do. That's a good meal substitute. That was a little short. We're gonna add a little to it. Add a little more to that one. Like I said, this is what I like to do. Maybe one more scoop of peanut butter there. And there you go, YouTube. Now, I don't fill it all the way, just so I got room to be able to shake it up. You know, it's one of them blender bottles. Like I said, but I use 2 scoops of whey protein, and I use 3 to 4 scoops of powdered peanut butter, 2 scoops of whey protein, that's 60 grams of protein, 3 scoops of powdered peanut butter, it's about 6 grams a scoop. So, you know, that puts you at, what, 78, 80 grams of protein per shake. I said, and I won't fill it all the way up just so I have some room to shake it. But that's a good meal substitute right there for you. And a good weight loss tip. You know, you need to lose weight, you got to have protein, you got to burn calories. And there you go, that's how you do it. It's smooth. It's got a good, rich peanut butter, vanilla flavor. And it's a good meal substitute, like I said, and it's healthy for you. Well, there you go, YouTube. As always, you all like, share, subscribe. Y'all have a blessed day.